Alright, welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm going to do Million Dollar Baby. It's a new song. Don't normally do such new songs, but this one's really stuck in my head. It's basically just F sharp minor to B minor. But this is the funky groove that you get. That you have to try and get this. Boom, 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 boom. I ain't never been the same, baby. Do no wrong, I'll clean up good for you. But it's quite hard to sing, as you can see, and play at the same time with that kind of beat. Do no wrong, I can clean up good for you. Nothing wrong. I play the Queen's Gambit. So many interesting lyrics. Another thing to think about is later in the song, about halfway, it goes up to the a tone up to the A flat minor. So F sharp minor 7 could also be dominant, but then you still go to the B. You don't actually stay on the B too long. Clean it down, yeah, clean up good for you. Right from wrong, and I'm gonna make it so nasty, Million Dollar Baby. Don't ask me, hell no. Do 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 And that's basically the whole song. It's one of those songs that, although it's so simple, 2 chords basically, and occasionally the third one, and yet I just can't get it out of my head. We're on the way to the gym or in the gym, I play the Queen's Gambit. Right from wrong, and I clean up good for you. Man, what a fresh tune it is. So, Million Dollar Baby, check it out.